So this is what we get with a slumber party. We don't stay in our warm spot. We come out. We make a massive mess. And we got people following bad influences and people trying to make decisions on whether they're going to be out or not. Oh, see, yeah. Now we got Foghorn doing that. Where are you guys going? See, I don't know if these slumber parties are going to be working out, but I'm glad you guys might have fun. It is a little chilly in here, but I guess that doesn't matter to you guys. Because playtime is better than any time.